Government members on this side of the House who have been given responsibility for a certain area of government are called ministers. Like the word minister suggests, they organise or administer the operation of one of the state's government departments. Ministers sit in the front seats, which in some parliaments is a long bench. This is why ministers are also known as front benchers. Ministers will report to the House on any changes or news about their department with a brief ministerial statement.
And the Minister for Women's Interests.
Thank you, Acting Speaker. Last week I was honoured to represent both the Premier and the Minister for Police at the Australasian Council of Women and Policing 2018 Excellence in Policing Awards. These awards recognise the important contributions that women have made to policing and law enforcement throughout Australasia in 14 categories.
On the other side of the House sit the opposition, and they have nominated members called shadow ministers. Like a shadow, they will constantly follow, monitor, criticise and question the actual minister on their decisions and the activities of the minister's department.
Member for Vass.
Premier, I refer to Tourism Research Australia's advice that highlights international spend is 8% lower and domestic visitors are also spending 9% less in WA, and ask, what actions will you take if the next set of Tourism Research Australia figures show a further decrease in tourism numbers?
Mr Speaker, it is interesting the Shadow Minister asks about tourism and the like. Obviously, we have put in place secure funding for the tourism industry when it comes to marketing and events.